chart attack, and we're talking about an index known as the Fear Index. This may be the least understood index in the market. What really is the VIX?
So the VIX is the calculation the CBOE put out. Basically, they have a secret recipe, and you can't find the calculation of the volatility on the out-of-the-money S&P 500 future options. So basically, how much we're going to move.
You say this is a company that's going out of business.
I mean, I think so. The only hope for them is private equity. $40 on Best Buy. I mean, if that's the case, Apple's going to $1,500. That's the most ridiculous thing I've ever heard.
Yeah, Sean, respond to that.
Andrew Keene, president of KeeneOnTheMarket.com, joins us now. Good to have you on the show as always. Simple question. Will Apple go to $900 within the next year? Yes or no?
No.
Okay, moving on. Facebook, would you be a buyer of this stock?
No.
Okay, next question. What would you buy in this market?
I would buy Apple, but I don't think it's getting to 900. 900 is quite the stretch, another 33% on top of it. On Friday, we saw it hit 644 through the all-time high. I don't think this market can continue higher. And if this market can't continue higher, that means Apple won't continue with it. Apple always overperforms the market, also underperforms the market. So once the iPhone 5 comes out, if it's not as blockbuster as everybody thinks, if there's doubts on the Apple TV being delayed, if the next quarter is weak, then I could see a sell-off in Apple. This is what we do in the stock market. We take an escalator up, and then we take the elevator down.
The day, but still a very shaky day for investors, to be sure. Here to help make sense of it, Andrew Keene, independent trader at the CBOE. Okay, Andrew, lower prices at the pump are probably a good thing. So why isn't the stock market rallying then today?
Yeah, I mean, I totally agree with Peter. You know, I think long-term, lower oil is better for us. You know, we saw corn got slammed yesterday as limit down. We saw wheat down. Commodities coming down is good for us.
This is In the Money with Angela Miles.
I'm so glad to have Andrew Keene join me on Trader Talk today in our show. It's good to see you, Andrew.
Thanks for having me on.
So today's market is down. I know you're watching what's going on with that SPX. What are you doing with the options right now?
Yeah, I mean, this 1340 level is very, very critical in the SPX. We are a little bit under. You know, we have sold off since this morning, and last night we were actually up a little bit overnight. 1340 is very critical. We're seeing some selling pressure there. 1350, we see some selling pressure. But then, you know, we look at the 50-day moving average is 1320. It dipped under 1320, and it almost was a bounce back like the 1300 was in the past, and we saw a rebound from there. So 1340 is like right in the middle of this 50-day moving average at 1320, and you know, we have the highs around 1363. So right here, I think we're going to get a reversal, but it's right in the middle, so I don't want to do anything. I've been trading very flat.